Hello. We recently wrote about screen recording app, something beyond screen recording with ability to annotate on the screen while recording. So it was called Projector when we wrote about it. In the latest Canary update, the app has showed up a screencast. So the app is called Screencast, but if you go inside the app, these are help content, like these are demo videos. So inside those, it's still called Projector. So I'm not sure if they're gonna call it Projector or Screencast, right? So I'm guessing it's going to be Projector most likely. So yeah, so this is the app. When you launch that, it works pretty similar to the Chrome Canvas app, as in you can see the recordings here. These are the recordings that I made to test this out. I can rename and delete, and another interesting feature is you can share. So when you click share, you get an link that you can share. That's an apps.chrome link. It's almost like Google Photos link. When you the moment you say share to another person, it generates a Google Photos tiny URL that you can share. So you have a URL here, you can copy this and then share with others. This is similar to your Google Drive, Google Docs sharing, but I think we might get more options later here, like who can edit, who can just see the link. So if you already shared it, you see this icon here. Again, pretty similar to what you have seen in rest of the Google universe. This is where you start a new recording. I cannot do that now because I'm already recording screen using another app. Like I'm using the built-in option now, but if I were to use the new recording app to record, I will get an option to write on the screen while I'm talking. I can also include my head in the corner of the video like this, right? Another interesting feature is transcript. You can see the transcript here. Looks like this video doesn't have anything that it can show in transcript. Let's open this up, right? So the transcript is here. I can edit, skip this, which would remove that section from the video as well. I can edit the text and save. Search the transcript. Again, share option is here, and I can rename the file from here. So those are the things that you can do with an existing recording. And as I said, this is where you start a new recording, and these are the help content available. There are some demos and how to use the Projector app. I'm going to call it Projector. It might be called Screencast, but less likely I'm betting on Projector. So that was a short demo of the new Projector app. If you haven't subscribed to Chrome Story channel yet, please do. I share Chromebook tips and occasionally new features like this. Thank you for watching.